put in the oven? Oh, yeah.
Oh my God! Good idea, Goofy! Donald, I'm sorry, but this will be your last day on Earth, pal.
What? What the fuck are you talking about, bro?
What we're talking about is your ass is going in the oven for Thanksgiving. Oh.
What the fuck?
Sorry, Donald! We're just real sorry! Sorry, Donald! You're going here in the fucking oven! Get over here, you pretty... Oh, now, Goofy! Stop moving, you little duck! Stop moving, you butt! Oh, boy! Oh, my God, Goofy.
Well, it was tough, but we got him in there.
Oh, boy. Well,
Jack, we have a problem. There's no more turkey. What are we gonna do with no turkey, Jack?
Oh, crap, that's not good, Grover. Oh, wait, I know who we could put in the oven. Yo, bro, well, why are you looking at me like that?
Oh my God. Good idea, Jack. Big Bird, I'm sorry, but this will be your last day on Earth, pal.
Wait, what? What the fuck are you talking about, bro? What we're talking about is that your ass is going in the oven for Thanksgiving.
What the fuck? I'm sorry, Big Bird. Look, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry, Big Bird, but you're going to fuck your own, motherfucker. Now get in. No, don't you dare touch me. No. Oh, no, Jack. Stop moving, you little fucking bird. That's why you're holding down that motherfucker. You better stop moving. Oh, boy. Oh man, but that was tough, but at least we did it. Well, looks like Thanksgiving is going to be served after all.